everyone, and a very, very warm welcome. I am just about to record for you our Improvers Solo Cha-Cha-Cha Ballroom Cha-Cha practice routine number 6. We're a little bit further ahead in our short practice routines for Cha-Cha-Cha. We have done more classes in that than others. So let's take a little look. I'm going to face the front. This was taught online the 1st of August 22, so if you are in my full video library on my website, you're looking for the full 90-minute class from the 1st of August 22 in the Improvers Solo classes. And if you're watching this on YouTube, then this is just a short summary recap. Okay, we started off with 3 basic bars, imagining I was in closed hold, and I'm going on ladies or followers timing today. So 1, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, 2, 3. Next cha-cha is straight forwards with a locking step, and then a pivot, which is our closed hip twist. Walking out to fan, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. Close, forwards, cha-cha-cha. Hockey stick. Walk, walk, cha-cha, back. I'm nearly in the wall, okay? I'm going to do an opening out, back, rock, cha-cha, turning. Walking back, walk, walk, cha-cha-cha. Rock, rock, cha-cha-cha. Spot turn, 2, 3, cha-cha, slide. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. There's a human break. Toe, heel, back, ball, change. From here, keeping the weight in this leg, I'm going to do an equivalent of a spiral, but I'm starting it on different timing. So I'm actually going to do 2, 3 as I spiral, and I'm going to cha-cha out 4 and 1. Okay, pivot in, collect the foot, 2, 3, 4 and 1 on the spot. Now that was very rushed. I'm going to break some of that down and let you see. 3 basics, this should be fine. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. 2, 3, to the front. Hip twist. Forwards, forwards, cha-cha, back. Close, forwards, cha-cha-cha. Hockey stick. Walk, walk, cha-cha, round. Now, opening out. 2, 3. Look through to the partner. That's my curtains. Cha-cha-cha. Walking back. Walk and a cha-cha-cha. That's our Aida. Rocking, cha-cha-cha. Collect the foot. Pivot for the turn. Cha-cha, slide. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Just doing one side there. 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. Collect. And then on the spot, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Guys, I said it was very, very short. These are all steps that we've done before. We were just putting them in different order. We were refreshing them and recapping them. I appreciate not everyone has the same amount of space at home. Guys, if you've liked that, that was from our Improvers Solo Waltz and Cha-Cha class. We do 45 minutes of each within the same 90-minute class every Monday morning, 10:30 UK time. You can find those live classes Zoom on my website. You then get the recording into the video library, and I put these little summaries up and pop these onto YouTube as well a couple of weeks after the class. So, thank you so much for supporting me. I will see you very soon in another video. Bye-bye.